Okay, I'm going to draw a shamrock. This is a really rough sketch of a shamrock. And just try to do it real quick. Okay, there you go. Really bad shamrock. Anyway, the idea is to demonstrate how GC files from this drawing. Simply click this button right here and you'll see it animated the plot of those along the path of your drawing. I'll let it go through. I don't know if you can see the little circle going around right here. And it's all bird leaf coming around and going back up and now down the stem, and it should go back to the home position in the bottom left corner. And there it goes. Code saved a file. Where is that file at? It's in the bin folder program. So I'll go into the GTK folder, bin folder, and it says untitled NGC. So when you open up Maslow actions, where you have that untitled NGC file, and there it is. And here's what it looks like. Now if you wanted to, let me clear that out. Clear the G-code, the application. And if I were to, well, first of all, before I do that, let me show you the actual NGC data. 21 command to use millimeters, G90 absolute positioning. It uses G0 rapid movement to set it to the, and Z0, and then it moves to, in a rapid movement, to the first line that is going to start cutting, and with a feed rate of, okay, it lowers the drill bit 1 millimeter down, and it, hey buddy, come here boy, sorry, I'm a truck driver with the dog, keep him at bay. Alright, so, and then you can just see that it then uses a series of G1 commands to positioning the X and the Y coordinates with the feed rate setting of 400, and it goes all the way around the shamrock, and when it gets done doing the shamrock, and then it pulls the drill bit back up to its 0 position, and then it goes back home. So that's the G code. And let me close that out, go back to FbCadCam, and if you wanted to, you could save it, save this, and I'm going to save it in a folder I call ASDF, and I'm going to call it Shamrock, and save it once again. And you don't have to let it go through the whole thing. It's already created the G code right here, see? So you could just turn it off if you don't want to watch the animation. And then you file your drawing. I saved it in a folder called ASDF. And there is the DXF file right there, and here is the G code file. So you can open up that G code. Actions, open. Go to my ASDF folder, which is right here, and there you go. Now it's not positioned at 0, 0. If you wanted to position that at 0, 0, let's see, and then go back to the drawing. Now 0, 0 is down here in the bottom left corner. See, I'm just going to draw it. I'm going to draw a line to where 0, 0 is. If you look where the mouse is indicated at, as I move the mouse around, you can see these numbers changing around. So 0, 0 is down here in the bottom left corner. So is where 0, 0 is. Let me turn my line off. Let me select this and move it from, oh, somewhere around here down to here. And let me delete this line. Delete it. And generate the G-code now, or I'll save it and then generate the G-code. And the G-code is generated. It starts from the home position, finds the closest line, and then follows the path around. As it gets down here at the bottom of the stem this time, it's going to jump over to the bottom of this right here and go up. Anyway, the G-code is off, and then I'll go back to Maslow, actions open, and you can see it's got a timestamp right here, date timestamp, so the more recent one, this one right here, and now you can see it's positioned. Alright, there's your shamrock for you.